Hey, doing here Map Investments. Little video here on a company by the name of TTCF. Pretty popular on the options board. Sometimes trending. Seems pretty popular these days. These guys do. Let me pull up and read their fundamentals. They manufacture plant-based prepared foods and ingredients in California and Italy. Looks like in 20 they had 16 cents per share estimate, and for 21 they got a 9%. 9 cent per share estimate of profit. Here's on the bottom all their EPSs. They all seem to be negative. There seems to be IV. It's not showing in the rank. But what I did was basically what you call an iron condor, but I did a little bit closer at the strikes. And here's the spread that I did. They have a tendency to call this like a chicken iron condor. So what I did was, let me zoom in here. I sold the 20 put, and I sold the 25 call, and then I bought the outside wings for about $1.80 credit. IV rank there showing 17. I know it's much higher than that. When I did the trade, I saw it higher. Here's the chart. So basically, this is the daily chart here on stockcharts.com. Pretty helpful website. You can see it went from basically down from the low 14, basically 14 up to about 23. So that condor gives me a pretty much a range of 20 minus almost a $2, about 18, which is the 50-day moving average, and to the upside to about 27, which is the top of the range for break evens. The 50-day moving average is 1866, as you can see here. And it's been pretty popular stock. I've seen it trending on stock tweets. So that's what I did. I did an iron condor, but they kind of name them like the chicken iron condor. Here's the credit, $1.75. Just looking for some contraction here in the next, I did it in January. It's only 26 days left. So maybe it could stay range bound next week, and I'm able to get 40, 50 cents out of this spread at least. Here, let me see what the IV rank here is. It says 4, and the other one says 17, but IV here is 102. I think on bar chart it was higher when I placed the trade as well. It seemed much higher than what it's indicating here, and it was pretty active on the option chain. Here's another very helpful a website that I use a lot, bar chart. Let me go to most actives, and then let's see if we could do it by maybe alphabetical order. It's T, so it might be better to go back. Let me see what they have it here on for IV rank. I'm sure they were on the option board. Here it is. So TTCF, they have an IV rank of 8 here, low. I don't know. The IV rank says low, but I was able to collect $1.75. It's a little close. The pop on this trade is, let's see here, iron condor. This is, well, I got a bigger credit here, so if let me change this here to $1.75 down here on the bottom here. Let's see what the pop, I think the pop was over 50%. Yeah, so the pop is 52% on this trade, and I'm just looking for a little bit of contraction. I could have sworn the IV was a little higher. You want IV rank of over 50, but if I'm not mistaken, this might have been like a SPAC a SPAC merger, TTCF. So it might not have accurate IV rank. Let me see, SPAC merger, news. I could have sworn. So yeah, so a month ago, yeah. So Tattoo Chef is shaking up the SPAC handicap. So yeah, they were a SPAC, plant-based protein SPAC, falls short of expectations with 200 million raise, not rise. Oh, nobody to subscribe here. So yeah, so I think the IV is kind of a off here, the IV rank, because they don't have a year data. So that's why I did the spread. I think the IV rank is off because you need a year of data on this one. So that's a trade I did, is an iron condor. I bought the wings for protection, just in case it goes higher, because these SPACs tend to trade a little crazy. Here's the weekly chart on Market Smith, and you can see how it was flatline. So yeah, it was a SPAC merger, and it hit 20, came back down to like 13, hit 28, came back. So maybe it'll start consolidating and do a base. RSI is at 77. So that's the trade I did in Tattooed Chef Incorporated. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.